When it comes to replacing or installing new windows in your Clearwater, Florida home, the decision to hire a professional window installation company can have a significant impact on the outcome of your project. While it might be tempting to tackle the job as a DIY project to save money, professional window installation offers a host of benefits that make it a worthwhile investment. Here are 5 key reasons why choosing professional window installation is the best decision for your Clearwater home. Expertise and experience. One of the main advantages of hiring a professional for window installation in Clearwater is their expertise and experience. Installing windows is a precise task that requires a good understanding of the technical aspects, including proper sealing, fitting, and alignment. An experienced window installation contractor has the skills to ensure that your windows are installed correctly, which helps prevent common issues like air leaks, poor insulation, or water infiltration. Professional installers also have experience working with different types of windows, whether they are double-hung, casement, sliding, or impact-resistant windows. This experience ensures that your windows are installed according to manufacturer guidelines, maximizing their performance and longevity. By trusting the job to a skilled professional, you're more likely to achieve a flawless installation that will enhance the comfort and efficiency of your home for years to come. Increased energy efficiency. In Clearwater's hot, humid climate, energy-efficient windows are a must for keeping your home comfortable and your utility bills low. Professional window installers are trained to ensure that windows are properly sealed and insulated, which is crucial for maintaining optimal energy efficiency. A poorly installed window, even if it is energy efficient on paper, can lead to air leaks that compromise the window's performance and allow heat or cold to escape. When professionals install your windows, they take care to apply the right amount of caulking, flashing, and weather stripping, ensuring that your windows provide the best thermal insulation. This can help reduce the strain on your HVAC system, lower your energy bills, and create a more comfortable living environment throughout the year. Long-term savings. While hiring a professional window installation company may come with a higher upfront cost compared to DIY, it can save you money in the long run. Professional installers ensure that the job is done right the first time, which means you won't have to deal with costly repairs or replacements down the road. In contrast, a poorly installed window could lead to issues like drafts, water damage, or increased energy costs, which could end up being more expensive to fix than hiring a professional in the first place. Additionally, professional window installation can extend the lifespan of your windows. Proper installation helps prevent common issues like warping, rotting, or seal failure, ensuring that your windows perform efficiently for many years. This long-term value can provide significant savings in both maintenance and utility costs. Warranty protection. Most reputable window installation companies in Clearwater offer warranties on both the products they install and their labor. This added protection gives you peace of mind knowing that if any issues arise with the windows or installation, you can have them addressed at no additional cost. Warranties on window installations can cover anything from defective windows to issues caused by improper installation, such as drafts or leaks. By choosing a professional installation service that offers a warranty, you ensure that your investment is protected. In the unlikely event of a problem, you won't have to bear the cost of repairs or replacements yourself. Improved curb appeal and property value. Window installation is not only about functionality, it's also about aesthetics. Professional installers can help you select the right windows to complement your home's style and design. Whether you're replacing old, outdated windows or installing new ones in a remodel, the right choice of window can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal. Professionally installed windows contribute to a more polished and cohesive look, making your home more attractive to potential buyers if you ever decide to sell. Many types of windows, like custom bay windows, elegant casement windows, or sleek modern sliders, can add charm and sophistication to your Clearwater property. High-quality windows can even increase the resale value of your home, making them a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve their home's exterior. Conclusion: choosing professional window installation for your Clearwater home offers numerous benefits, from expert installation and improved energy efficiency to long-term savings and enhanced curb appeal. With the right professionals on the job, you can ensure that your windows are installed properly, function efficiently, and enhance the overall look and feel of your home. Although hiring a professional may initially cost more than a DIY project, the advantages, such as durability, warranty protection, and reduced maintenance, make it well worth the investment. So, whether you're replacing old windows or upgrading to more energy-efficient models, professional installation is the best way to ensure a successful and lasting outcome for your Clearwater home.